I am so excited to be welcoming you to this video in my new house. I cannot believe that with all of the uncertainty over the last few months that I am finally here and that it's all real and happening. Or has happened now. So this is going to be part empty home tour and also showing you some spots now that we've been in for a week that are a little bit more filled out and starting to feel like home. But first I want to talk to you a little bit about the history of my new house. This is an old railway cottage that was built in 1850, but this place has been modernized in the last 10 years, so it was pretty move-in ready while still having a lot of character features showing the history of the place, which I really love. So I think we'll get started in this open plan entry living way kitchen lounge area. Having a property with some sort of open plan going on is really important to both me and Ben. So when we saw this place, not only had that, but a lot of other little rooms that you could use at your will. This place seemed absolutely perfect for us. You can see the gorgeous kitchen here, and oh my gosh, I cannot explain I cannot explain how amazing it is to have storage. Our last place where you've seen most of my videos take place had zero storage. We were staring at every item that we owned pretty much at all times. So having a kitchen where I don't have to stare at every spice, every oil bottle, every plate that I have is so amazing. It just does so much for your mental health. And moving on to the other part of the room, we have this beautiful cozy reading space with a cast iron log burner in the middle. I'm so excited to have a fireplace. I've already busted this baby open several times, and it just adds such a beautiful warmth to the space. You can see now that we've moved into this place a bit, there are rooms for all of Ben's books and room for mine. And this bad boy is not being used to store all my clothes anymore, but I can actually use it to display things. When I move somewhere, I have to get all my books and little trinkets settled as one of the first things that I do, because having that stuff around me just really makes a place feel like mine. So this is one of the most set up areas one weekend. Next is the main lounge area. Also will transform into a bit of a guest room if we have people staying over. I'm going to keep showing you pretty much just some before pictures because it's probably one of the most in progress rooms that we have at the moment, just because it has Ben's little workspace for all of his crafts and hobbies. It has the TV and video games and all of that stuff. So it has a lot to sort through before it is show ready. But I'm loving what we're doing so far, and I love having two separate living spaces. Basically, one that is centered around TV and one that is maybe more for thinking and reflection and getting into that good headspace. But also it keeps the other area clear so I can do things like dance and yoga and roller skating and hula hooping and all of the things that I do. I have a wide open space. I don't even know what to do with it. Just kidding. I have so many ideas of using that space and its wide openness. Following through the media lounge, we go into my home office. Oh my gosh, it is so amazing to have a dedicated space, partially because I work from home. It's a home office and I do all my daily work tasks from there. Except for right now, I work from home now, so I'm filming this on my lunch break. Work-life balance. Anyway, this room is partially set up, partially not. Even though it looks like a small space to begin with, I'm fitting a lot of stuff in here and I've got plans for more. On this wall, I want to put up some shelves, get some books up there, and once again, all my little trinkets. I've got a lot of trinkets that I have to put places. Also, I'm setting up the other little corner to use as a backdrop for outfit shots. I have tested and I can get a good angle from here, and I want to put up a bunch of different pictures and stuff to make sort of a new gallery wall, sort of like the one in my old place, but with new pictures and new things. By the way, I did film a wall tour before I left the old place, but then I was sort of second guessing myself and being like, does anybody really care? I don't know. If you do, please comment and let me know. Anyway, we are moving upstairs to what is essentially, I guess, the master suite. Back when this cottage was built in the 1850s, upstairs was 3 very small bedrooms, and now it's 1 bedroom and a giant bathroom. This bathroom has already been so amazing. Obviously, I have a bathtub now, which I've not had in a house I lived at for 5 years. And man, when you don't have a bath available to you, you really do miss it. Shower's also very big and grand and very nice too. I think because the shower head is so very tall that by the time it reaches my head, and I'm not like especially short or anything, I'm 5'7", but by the time it reaches my head, I feel like it's lost a little bit of the water pressure, which meant like when I dyed my hair the other day, it took quite a bit of work to wash it out. So I might look into changing that, but I can do that now because it's my house. So that's very cool. And then you have a basic bedroom in here. This room I also will not show you too many after photos because it is still in progress. We're still getting the whole closet sorted, but I've got pretty much all my stuff in there and I've got room to spare, believe it or not. So good news for me, bad news for my wallet. And now I'm going to show you a selection of outside spaces. Having outside space was one of the biggest factors of deciding not to try to buy the place we were already in because it had zero outside space. Having outside space is so crucial to my mental health. Oh my gosh, I'm ready for spring and summer, and there's so many great backdrops for photos, and it's all just very exciting. And that is pretty much my place. Stay tuned to see how I decorate this place, how it changes and grows. But yeah, welcome to my new home. A little bit more casual than other empty home tours on YouTube because, you know, I'm not buying this with my YouTube millions. I'm just a normal girl with a normal job. But I'm so excited to finally share this with you all. And this is the place you'll be seeing my videos from here on out. Thank you so much for watching if you made it this far. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate if you could like it. And if you want to see more from me, please subscribe. I upload new videos. I'm still learning what my upload schedule is gonna be now that I have a new house and a new job and all that stuff. And if you want to see more from me, please subscribe. I upload new videos on Fridays. I hope you have a great day wherever you are, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye! Oh no, what happened in here? My book fell over. Oh no, a book fell over and it hit one of my displays. It's a work in progress, people. Oh. It's okay, I'm standing in front of that the whole time, so that's fine.